Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a mind-blowing breakthrough in AI and quantum computing, something that could completely transform science and technology as we know it. Imagine AI and quantum computers working together at speeds 13,000 times faster than today's fastest supercomputers. That's exactly what's happening, and it's changing the game for drug discovery, chemistry, and more. In October 2025, Google announced two revolutionary achievements. The first was a quantum algorithm called quantum echoes, running on their advanced Willow quantum processor. This algorithm can perform calculations 13,000 times faster than the world's fastest classical supercomputers. Why does this matter? Classical computers struggle to simulate molecules and atomic interactions at high accuracy. But with quantum computing, we can now model these interactions at unprecedented speed and precision, opening doors to innovations that were previously thought impossible. Just a week before this quantum breakthrough, Google announced an AI model that generated a new cancer therapy hypothesis, and it actually worked in real lab tests. This is a huge deal. AI isn't just analyzing existing data anymore. It's creating entirely new scientific ideas. Think of AI as a research partner that never sleeps, testing thousands of possibilities in seconds. This could revolutionize healthcare, materials science, and countless other fields. Here's where it gets even more exciting. Combining AI and quantum computing. AI generates new hypotheses and discovers patterns humans might miss. Quantum computers simulate complex molecular interactions at lightning speed. Together, this means we could discover new drugs in months instead of years, simulate new materials instantly, and tackle scientific problems faster than ever. It's a shift from technology that analyzes what we know to systems that explore what we don't yet understand. Imagine a world where life-saving drugs are discovered in months instead of decades. Materials for clean energy or advanced electronics are designed in days. Scientific breakthroughs happen at speeds that were unimaginable just a few years ago. This is no longer science fiction. With AI and quantum computing accelerating innovation 13,000 times, the possibilities are truly limitless. We're still in the early stages, but the trajectory is clear. AI plus quantum equals supercharged innovation. Stay tuned, because the next decade could bring discoveries and technologies that change our world faster than we ever imagined. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep up with the fastest AI breakthroughs, don't forget to subscribe.